Bismillah. Welcome to sixth chapter of this course, Guide to Joomla. In this lesson, you will learn about system management, which includes extension installation and management, redirects, information, updates, and user permission. Now, I will break this chapter into 5 small lessons. The next sub lesson of chapter 6 is the updating things. There are three items under this update column: Joomla, extension, and update sites. When we go to the Joomla, this screen allows us Joomla to be updated quickly using the update package from the Joomla code repository. Whenever a new update will come, it will be shown here, and we can also check for the updates by clicking this button, and then it will show the updated version. We can easily select and press the update button. Right now we can see this button here. So next is the extensions update. This screen allows us to update install extensions that provide an update server. Live updates of the extension occurs without the need to manually upload and install the updated extension files. They are obtained from the remote update server using standard HTTP connection methods. Any extension which has updated URL in their XML file will be shown here. We can check for the updates, then press on the update. It will show the version, currently installed version, and a new updated version, which is a new version we can update to. And the last thing is the update sites. A list of sites from which Joomla extensions can be updated online. Now you will see all the lists, their extension names, and if they have any URL which will be used to take the updated information from. So that was the updating system available in the Joomla. It is a very useful system also.